Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically recover deleted messages on Messenger. So you're just going to select the three lines here. If I can just do that. Then select the gear icon. Then scroll down until you find Account Center. Select See More in Account Center. Then you're going to go to your information and permissions. Select Download Your Information. Select Download or Transfer Information and select your Facebook account. Then you are going to select Next. You can select specific types of information or select the available information. I'm just going to select the second one. So you have an option of downloading everything, but for instance, you only want to download messages. You can also scroll down and kind of adjust it even more. Then you're going to select Next. Then you can either download to device or select Transfer to Destination. Maybe like Google Drive or something like that. Then you can also adjust the date range as well here. Last year, last 3 years. You can also even select all time if you really want to. You can also select the format. I'm just going to select the HTML, and you can also select the media quality. And you're then just going to select Create Files. So that is it. It is a little bit tedious, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!